If you've ever been curious about what the chaos looks like before you start to teach, welcome to my studio. This is Sarah Ann Smith in Hope, Maine. Usually I'm packing up and everything gets sorted into plastic baggies and dumped into a million suitcases. But as we know, we're all about online now. So we're going to start over here on the left. This is the teaching zone and the batting zone of my storage space in my studio. Those are all of the binders, handouts, and teaching supplies in their space in the closet. The closet doors are my design walls, and they're open down at the far end because I've been hauling out quilts. Normally, I do not have stand lights and those 2x4 stands or quilt racks or light boxes. What I've done is I've used some 2x4s, and my son Joshua helped me rig up this stand to go over the workspace. My iPad will get put right here with the face up so that I'm just tall enough to see what's going on, and I can zoom in and demonstrate what's going on down here on the table. That heap over there is a quilt that I really need to get working on, and the samples for the class that's for Wednesday. The ones just behind it on the table are for taping Quilting Arts TV in September. I've also got a power strip over here because I'm going to have 3 lights, a computer, and an iPad, and an iron all plugged into the power strip. Pray I don't blow a fuse. I've got my favorite iron out here, and the box with the yarn in it is so that I can prop my laptop up on it and not look like I have 7 double chins. This is my binder for the workshop, and I've already started gathering supplies and tools that I use to show my students what works for me, as well as a project to demo while I'm there. Because the background of my room, I don't usually process my room as looking cluttery, but, well, let's face it, it is. And right now, we've got that foam piece and the deflated air mattress because my 22-year-old son, who graduated from college and is still trying to get a job, has occasionally come down to the basement to sleep because it's a lot cooler down here. I pulled out some PVC pipe stands and hung 2 quilts, so those will be behind me when I start showing the class. And as the great and powerful Oz said, don't go behind the curtain. Behind the curtain, you can find, if I can manage to get back here without falling flat on my face or knocking over the quilts, is my sewing machine, a beautiful Janome M7, an additional iPad stand, garment making to do, quilts that I'm going to be working on, Thursday's class, the boxes for all of the lights, and 2 quilts that I'm working on that hopefully I will be using and demonstrating in the class on Thursday. And then behind here is all of my bulletin board and pictures of the family and all of my books. And right here, you can see the clamp and stand that holds my phone to shoot videos and pictures over my shoulder when I'm demonstrating at the sewing machine. So there's a little bit of truth in quilting. Talk to you soon. Bye from Sarah Smith in Hope, Maine.